Of the Ozark land has been destroyed up here by Ellen.
There you go, candlestick. Command. Go ahead, Chief 2. Alright, I'm at Cedar Park and we can only turn on to Cedar Park. We've got heavy trees down at the beginning here, so we're going to need some more help to start cutting trees so we can get down Cedar Park to any collapsed homes. That's clear. Hey, I've got 17 here right now with 52. Can I utilize them right now? Or can you send me, maybe send a brush truck up to here? And then Bruce, I don't know, I may go back to Station 5 and start just trying to organize what resources we have and all that.
Okay, just checking.
29 to 19.
19.
From what I can tell, there's no damage over here on Shepherd at all, no debris in the road, power lines are all up, and I can't see any damage to the buildings.
Yeah, okay, 248 looks the same way. I've got power, got street lights, businesses have lights, no debris in the roadway up here. I believe we're going to be on the strip and to the south and to the west. What looks like where our damage is going to be.
That's clear. I'll head west toward 24's position and help him.
And I think we need to concentrate our efforts out there for now, unless 209 has further.
Area command on the west repeater. You'll have truck 2 assigned to you for right now. You'll be running from about Fall Creek to 165.
That's clear. Report to Walmart for area command.
Go ahead and switch to VTAC 1 for now, and contact me on this channel when you have an update. That's clear. Chief 2, command. Chief 2. Okay, I've got 17 here at 52. They're going to start cutting these big trees out at the beginning of Cedar Park so we can get back in here and see what's collapsed down here. Is that alright if we use 17? Yours for now.
Residents, I'll head that way.
Okay.
209 Brand.
And this is at Taco Bell. We've had motorists that stopped here too that are hurt. Gathering.
Received so much.
Southern Stone County Fire, standby. Rescue call, Joe Bald Road.
He wants to start looking at.
Continue damage assessment in that area and report anything found.
From a gentleman who received information third hand that there's an elderly couple living in this residence, can see rescue workers in the area. They are not at her house at 4093 Joe Bald Road. The elderly female cannot find her husband and they are trapped in the residence. 114.
Did you happen to copy that O Highway is blocked with a tree and power line?
10-4, MoDOT is en route.
Intersection a little way.
Call 10205.
This is 600.
209.
Do you know if Public Works has been notified of anything?
I don't believe so. We haven't had time to notify much.
I understand. If you would, put that on your list.
5, command.
Central dispatch to 600.
Here in front of the Caprice, I've been told the roof of the RIA is completely gone, and citizen told me that Gretna from Roark to 76 has got some power lines down in the roadway.
Okay, I'm on that part spot of the road right now. Let's see what's going on here.
Mr. Base, for your record, we have checked Academy Commons a second time. Chief 5 was just there. There is damage, however, there was no additional injuries or damage found.
That's clear. Don't know if I've notified you. We did have a transformer on fire above Candlestick earlier. We've only received one call on it. Also reports of Winchester, 384 Winchester in the same general area. Got hit pretty hard.
That's clear. I've got crews working in that area right now trying to open up the road and working damage assessment in that area. Let me know if you get any other calls for persons trapped or injuries in that area.
Clear, sir.
Chief 2 command.
Chief 2.
Okay, we're at the very beginning of Cedar Park. And we got trees down as far as we can see, so it's going to be a while before we get down to that Winchester area, unless Chief 4 and them can go the back way through Gilliam over to Cedar Park.
Team 41, where you need me.